Welcome to Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to fix Instagram your request is pending problem. First thing you should know is Instagram limits the number of follow requests you can send per day. If you have sent too many follow requests in the past 24 hours, simply wait for some time. Another reason is this can also happen if your Instagram account is new. But even after waiting for a while, if the problem isn't solved, you should check if your account is restricted by Instagram. To see if your account has been restricted or not, you can tap on the three horizontal line at the top right. Now scroll down. There you can see the option Account Status. Tap over there. Now here you can see the option Features you can't use. Tap over there. But you can see that my account hasn't been restricted and I can use all the features right now because my Instagram account hasn't violated any guidelines. But if your account is restricted, you will find an option to submit a request. Once you submit your request, Instagram team will review it and get back to you in a few days. And after that, you should be able to follow accounts once again. And this is how you can solve your request is pending error on Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Login Aid. Thank you.